Hello, and welcome to Cooking Matters. Today we are going to talk about some of the different ways you can cook eggs. There are 3 different types of eggs that we will prepare today in this video: fried, scrambled, and hard-boiled. First, we will prepare fried egg. Heat a pan over medium heat. Coat with cooking spray. Crack the egg into a small bowl. This is to make sure we do not leave any eggshells in the pan. Gently slide it off the bowl and into the pan. Immediately reduce heat to low. Cook until the egg white turns solid and the yolk begins to thicken. If you would like, you can flip the egg over gently to heat the other side. Flip back to your original side and slide the cooked egg onto a plate. Season if you haven't already, and enjoy. Now, we will make some scrambled eggs. Crack your egg into a small bowl. Season and beat the eggs with a fork until mixed well. Heat your pan over medium heat. Coat with cooking spray. Add the eggs from the bowl and turn the heat down to low. When you see the eggs start to firm up on the bottom, take your spatula and start to stir, pushing the eggs towards the middle of the pan. When the eggs are cooked to your liking, add any extra seasoning. This can include herbs, chopped tomato, or any veggies. Heat your seasonings if added and serve immediately. Lastly, we will be making some hard-boiled eggs. The first step in this is to take your eggs from the fridge and bring them to your room temperature. This means they won't be cold to the touch. Place the eggs in a pot and cover with water. There should be about 1 inch over the top of the eggs. Turn the heat to high. As soon as your water comes to a boil, remove the pot from heat. Cover with a lid and let them sit for 17 to 20 minutes. Once the timer is done, remove the eggs from the hot water and place them in a bowl filled with cold water. Let them cool for at least 10 minutes. Peel the eggs and serve. We added some pepper for flavor. Enjoy!